Hello friends, I am your car, a simple village girl. My village is troubled, there is water everywhere. Neither the stove is lit nor is the school open. First there were holidays, now the flood has blocked the roads. Mother says we should not give up in trouble. Today, I went out with 2 slippers. A child had lost a slipper. I gave it to him and he was happy. Then I went to a house. They didn't have bread. Umi gave 2 pieces of bread and said, "Think of others first."
Aga kadata asiha, badakal abiklu jahe, ya but humanity remains hefer. If you pray, maybe everything will get better and Gadi can go to school. Allah Hafiz.